News meteorologist Angelica Campos joining us now. Okay, Angelica, my heater was going off all last night. It feels chilly at night. Are we going to be able to expect that again tonight?
Oh, yes. And we're going to be getting colder. I was actually looking at the models and I have my graphics in the wrong spot. So I'm just going to speak and then eventually you're going to see this change. But it's going to get colder this weekend. We're going to be looking at the possibility for rain and even some snow in our future cast. And it looks like the changeover will happen Sunday night into Monday. I'm so excited about tracking a storm because all the ones we've had so far have been weak and they certainly haven't brought a whole lot of rainfall for San Diego. We've had all this like misty conditions early in the morning now for about the last 10 days or so, and Northern California has done very, very well, which is good for the entire state, but we need rain too, and that's going to be happening this weekend. As we look outside, clear skies, 60 degrees, winds out of the northwest at 12 miles per hour. The temperature is at the moment in the mid-50s. Get ready. Most likely you're going to need that heater again tonight as the numbers will be dipping down into the 30s. Yesterday was the coldest day and the coldest night this morning, so it was going to get better by a couple of degrees, but I can't promise you won't need the heater or an extra blanket. The conditions are getting cloudy through the northern part of the state as another system moves in, but that one is going to stay there to the north. It'll be this weekend, Saturday night into Sunday, and potentially lasting all the way through early Monday. By the afternoon, we start to dry out, and then we'll see drier conditions for the second half of next week. So looking at our future cast, as we put it in motion, you can see all that rain and snow up north. It doesn't make it all the way to San Diego, but that will be changing this weekend. Another look at the potential Saturday at 4:30, we start to see some of that rain moving all the way towards LA. And as that cold front moves in Sunday night into Monday, that is when rain will change over to snow. Accumulations could be expected with snow in places like Julian, Palmer Mountain, and also in Mount Laguna. It is going to be wet up and down the west coast as this active pattern continues. But finally, we get to tap into some real moisture here in San Diego. The last few times I've had to say maybe 1/100 of an inch. That's not going to be the case this weekend. We could be expecting anywhere from 1/4 of an inch to almost 2 inches of rainfall. So as we go throughout the day on Sunday, maybe about 1/2 inch to 3/4 of an inch. And then Monday we'll get the rest of the moisture that could lead to accumulations now getting over an inch. And this has been showing up for the last couple of days. So we're getting better confidence on this system, which is exactly what we need. But we also have to prepare for the cold, for the rain, the potential for flooding and damaging winds. This is what we can expect for tomorrow morning. 37 degrees in Ramona and 40s near our coastline. In the next 7 days, low 60s, 50s as that system moves in. Sunday will stay there Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. By Thursday, temperatures will go back to 60 degrees. Inland community, 63 degrees tomorrow, expecting those periods of rain. Windy conditions on Sunday. Wind gusts could range from 35 to up to 70 miles per hour with the strongest winds in our mountains. And if there is snow in the mix, there could be some blowing and drifting as we get into Monday morning. In the desert, 68 degrees to start off the weekend, cloudy with up to 1/4 of an inch of rain for our desert. So it looks like the entire county will see rain this time.